Welcome to our channel 4G School, a smart way of learning through technology. My English Book 1, Standard 1, My Name. One point seven. My name. Listen to me carefully and answer. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Ria.
What's your name?
My name is Raj.
Tell me your name, please.
I am Ali.
Sonal.
Very good. Look at the board, find and touch your name. अब आपको यह एक्टिविटी अपने घर पर करनी है. आपके जितने भी भाई बहन हैं सबके नाम आपको एक कार्ड शीट पर लिखने हैं और उसे अपने घर के कहीं कोने में लगाना है. और आपके जितने भी छोटे भाई बहन हैं उनसे कहना है कि वो रोज़ाना अपने नाम को आकर टैप करें यानी कि टच करें. ओके, दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. 1.3 Let's talk. What's your father's name?
My father name is Rajan.
Tell me the name of your school.
Jilla Parishad Primary School.
So this is the end of today's activity. Hope you enjoy it and please subscribe our channel 4G School for your more further educational videos. And do not forget to share with your friends and like the video. Till then,
Bye bye.